be consistent. The 14-day trial that they sell, really super affordable, in between $13 and $18, and I always get them at Walmart. It's best for me personally. I know the directions say don't leave them on your teeth for like 30 minutes to an hour, but the best results is if and when you use an automatic toothbrush at night, and after you get done brushing your teeth, wait about 20 minutes and then put these strips on. I have slept in these a time or two overnight, so let the strips actually sit on your teeth. And some days it can become sensitive, like your gums, so when those days come, don't use them. You want to skip maybe a day or two and then put them back on for another 2 or 3 hours during the day and or at night. But if I were you, I would prefer at night. So I've also been using this good old Bright On from Smile Direct. It's so good. So what you do, it comes in this box like this, and it comes with gel and brightener. It's like a LED light, and it comes with USB cords, so you can hook it to your phone, like all type of, like, you get the point. So what you do is do this twice a day. You put this gel onto your teeth, like so, onto your teeth, and then you put your guard in your mouth and plug it up to your cellular device. And you stick it in your mouth for 10 minutes. Like this. And then you do that in the morning. Later off in the night, you do it again. And put it, and it's compatible with Android and iPhone, so you can do that. And this really works. I'm telling you, my teeth are just like sparkling white. And of course, you never want to skip your cleanings at the dentist, because those cleanings will keep your teeth polished. So that's what you want to do. You always want to use your crest strips consistently and use them at night. And you also want to gargle with peroxide. Peroxide keeps your teeth white. Gargle with that twice a day. So you can see my teeth are super duper white, and I get compliments on them all the time. And I mean, I'm a coffee drinker. I drink coffee, I drink red wines, I drink all type of things that stain my teeth. I can just brush my teeth and be fine for like months without using any whitening or bleaching, because I've done it so consistently, like in the past. So if you're really interested, if I were you, I would head over to Smile Direct. You can get this off of their website. I think they have a sale going on. If you put it in a promo code FEB25, you will get 25% off of this. This box runs about $50, and if you were to get the 14-day crest strips, these are about $13 to $18, like I mentioned before. And of course, you want to gargle with your peroxide and use an automatic toothbrush. An automatic toothbrush can just get and keep your teeth white. So I hope you enjoyed those tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Until next time.